showed us an apartment that I didn't even inquire about. I didn't even ask about this. Like, I didn't want no information on this apartment. I wanted the apartment that I viewed.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Okay, viewing number 2 today, but in the next few days, we'll be signing these. I'm just really excited to see how this one turn out. Anywho, so viewing the second place today, just having to have him go in the cold, to have him have to go in the cold and then come back out is just a lot. So I told him to just record whatever you see and send it. I'm actually happy, like I'm excited. I'm just nervous at the same time because, you know, it's a big transition again. I'm ready for new beginnings. You know, it's about to be a new year. We had a little situation with the apartment yesterday because they told us one price, had us drive 2 hours, you guys. 2 hours, not no 30 minutes away, 2 whole hours into the mountains. Like, I'm talking, we was in the Caucasus Mountains. Like,
that is Caucasian, from the mountains of Caucasus.
We was in the mountains. Like, I don't know if y'all, like, we were in the mountains to the point where my ears was popping. Like, that's how the elevation changed. Okay, so we are heading out. I have my EHS appointment today. I'm gonna be able to do my baby hairs, but I might not, and that's fine. I don't care. It's not that serious. Or at least turn it down. Alright, so we are at the rest stop in New Jersey. It is raining like hell. On the radio, they just said something about a storm, so I'm like, but I have to go to my EHS appointment because I have to go get a few vaccines. Some more vaccines so I can start working before my start date. So my start date is not pushed back. So I'm not there yet, but about to go at the moment. This one is actually a really good one. I think 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. So I'm really excited. I'm super excited to see how it looks. It's not that far from where I live right now, so that's pretty convenient for right now. We haven't started packing yet, but that's fine, you know. So super ready to move, super ready to start anew. I know before these holidays and stuff, we are going to have our place, probably be either a Christmas gift or something, I don't know. About to do a little night routine video. I'm making my lunch right now. As you guys can see, it's about to get dark. I just gotta like clean up a little bit, straighten up a little bit, take out for dinner tonight. Really just gotta clean up. I have to go put something to wash, finish eating my lunch, and yeah, it's not that late. It looks late because it's winter time, but it's like 5 or something. I don't even know. Let me check. Yeah. Can't see, but it's 5. Guys, I am going to be going ahead making my lunch. I'm making fried chicken and Alfredo, and don't come for me because that's not the only thing I can make, y'all. All right Nah, I be throwing down. And I don't know if it's just me, y'all, but I don't know, like when I'm cooking or in the kitchen or whatever, like I gotta wash my hands about 1,000 times. Like usually I would wear gloves, but like we're moving and I cannot find a lot of stuff, so it's like, you know, yeah. But I be having to wash my hands like 1,000 times. I hate when stuff is on my hands. Moving on, you guys, I am going to go ahead and put this stuff to wash and then go sit down and relax, watch my little show. About to watch some Bob's Burger. Really, like one of my top 5, like in my top 5 of my favorite shows. I'm telling y'all, like Hulu, like it will have you weak. It's on Hulu, guys, for real. Go check it out. After eating and before I go take my shower, I am going to go ahead and straighten up my house because, like I said before, I cannot go to sleep for whatever reason without making sure the house is straightened up, like honestly. And it don't be dirty every day, but I have a 2-year-old and it does get a little bit messy, so you know, I gotta clean. And I have a bit of OCD, like honestly, it's very, very bad. I like to make sure, you know, before I hop in the shower, before I do anything, you know, to clean up, straighten up, and make sure the house is clean, because, you know, that's just me. And yeah, they just finished washing the dishes, so I don't really have to wash dishes, and he's cooking dinner, so win-win for me. So I'm gonna check back in after I finish cleaning, when I am in the bathroom. Alright, so I just got out the shower, and every single time I come, I'm greasy as hell right now. Hold on. Every time I come to make a video, I be like, I need a tripod, you guys. Let me show you guys my tripod right now. So this is the tripod that I had. It's broken. I have a 2-year-old, so yeah, things don't really stay fixed in here. I just got out the shower and I wanted to show you guys what I'm using and what I was using on my face. I don't really use things on my face every single night. I don't do face cleanses every single night. I do moisturize my face every single night, and I usually, as you guys can see, it's literally gone, like almost gone. But as you guys can see, it's literally almost gone. I got this from my local beauty supply store, and faithfully, like, I use it on my son, I use it on me. 10 out of 10. It's a bit oily, but you know, and it smells really, really good. Have you smell like straight cocoa butter all night. Just love it, love it, love it. So I have a whole collection, thanks today, of the Bath and Body Works sprays. So really, I don't, like, I just choose a different spray every night. These are one of my favorites. This is like perfect for the winter time. Like, I swear it smells like perfect for the winter. Then I just got this one. This is my most recent one. And this one smells super freaking good, like, but I lost the top, so can't use it. But the spray deodorant that I'm using tonight is stuff. Next, it smells extremely good. This is coconut and pink jasmine. Pink jasmine just smells good overall, but this definitely smells immaculate. I don't like this one. I really don't, because like I don't like you know, I know you gotta use it a certain way, like hold it a a certain way or whatever, but I like the roll-on one. The only thing I don't like about the roll-on one is when you wearing like black clothes and stuff, and then it gets on your clothes and stuff. I hate that. And that, nothing wrong with it. This one, don't put it too close to your skin because that shit's gonna hurt. Anywho, we are about to watch something, and yeah, to guys, it's to bed.